it's just critical to be able to come in and not only for the networking. I mean, you can still pick up your book and read through it and see exactly um, what you do when you have questions. But the networking piece is it's so important to be to do whatever job you're heading into. You really have to be. I can't imagine trying it without coming here and doing this. And going to these big conferences are great, but that you want to be able to go to some experts and have those resources so you can go back and have that ability to call an ISM faculty member and say, hey, I was thinking of this. And they call you back. I've never had an experience where they didn't get back to you over these 15 years. So what you can take from here, you can apply. And that's you want to be able to come from here and start, okay, I want to start applying this, or formatting your, like I said, your program or your plan, and this allows you to do that. So it's helped me a ton.